Hello and welcome to MarineMax. This is Bill Maskas. I'm here to show you the beautiful 21.5 XSF Scout we just received today. Due to the market conditions, it's rare to have an available unit in stock. I hope you can take advantage of it. It's beautiful, equipped with a 200 Yamaha, the electro-hydraulic steering upgrade. You have a nice entry with a nice seat on the back. Cooler to store your fish or your drinks right underneath the seat. Right over here you have this comfortable seating area with bolsters if you prefer. The boat is fully equipped with trim tabs, the two Yamaha gauges. You have a 9-inch Garmin XS screen, fusion stereo, your main buttons and controls, your throttle and trim of the engine, cup holders, nice area to store your phone with chargers, compass right in the middle, beautiful powder coated hardtop with floodlights right up on top. And then we proceed towards the bow, which you have a great entertainment area. Look at this on a 21.5-foot boat. Underneath here you have plenty of storage. It's also insulated, so you can throw ice in there and or use it as a cooler or a fish box. There is additional storage underneath the seats, and here's your anchor locker. This will conclude the short presentation on this boat. I would like to invite you to come over and check it out in person. Thank you very much.